Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 109. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do the whole thing in reverse. What you're seeing on the screen right now is actually the end of the wax removal. And yes, I know, it's not nearly as pretty as they normally are, and there is still quite a bit of stuff down there. But let's talk about why. This patient was visiting Arizona and reported having a bit of discharge from the ear. This discharge caused them to schedule an appointment with a local ENT. The problem was that the ENT couldn't get them in for about a week. At this point, they were seeing the ENT the very next day, but the itching that was going on in their ear was just driving them crazy. They went in to see an urgent care doctor who basically told them, "I can't see anything, there's something in your ear, you have to get that out first." So they ended up in my office. Now let's take a look as I actually remove the earbud from their hearing aid that was stuck in their ear. As we look down the ear canal, we can see the earbud right there all folded up and in place. You can look underneath it and actually see a little bit of moisture and some wax that's attached to this earbud. Part of the reason this was crammed in so deeply was they actually had their hearing aid still in their ear. They had put on a backup earbud. They just thought that they lost it in transit somewhere. I don't really know. They weren't sure where they lost it. I'm going to use the alligator forceps to gently go in and remove this earbud. As I pull this out, you're going to see a lot of the wax drag out with it. And let's see what we have when we get back in there. It all came out in one piece. Painless for the patient. But now this ear can actually air out prior to their ENT appointment tomorrow. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.